The practice of Digital India, the policy foundations. The Digital India project of Indian government is very ambitious. It would like to transform the way government operates and citizens get services. It intends to transform from the paper-based existing government operations into electronic-based e-governance. Towards this end, Indian government has taken several policy initiatives in the e-governance domain that are crucial for achieving the vision and the objectives of Digital India program. Effective implementation of e-governance is a key component of the roadmap for implementation of e-governance projects in the Digital India program. These policy initiatives are an endeavor to chart out the roadmap of the implementation of Digital India project in the country. They cover a number of important areas. Area number one is the e-Kranti framework. This policy provides eKranti framework that is an integral part of the Digital India program. With the vision of transforming e-governance for transforming governance, the eKranti program aims towards easy governance, effective governance, and good governance and mobile governance. It provides the key principles for revamping the existing projects and also a new and ongoing government e-government projects. The policy on the adoption of open source software for Government of India encourages the formal adoption and use of open source software (OSS) in government organization. The compliance to this policy will ensure that strategic control of e-governance assets would remain with the government and would also ensure business continuity for the projects in future from technical perspective. The framework for adoption of open source software in e-governance systems suggests a set of recommendations and procedures for promoting, managing, and enhancing the adoption of OSS in e-governance systems in India. It highlights the impact of adoption of OSS in government influencing factors, mutual impact of open standards and OSS, establishing enterprise security with OSS, unified software development for all major devices using standards based uh, web browser and use of localization. The framework suggests neutral guidelines to select software and processors for induction of OSS solution. The ecosystem suggested to promote the adoption of OSS describes a required institutional mechanism, collaboration with key stakeholders like industry, OSS communities, academia, collaboration mechanism offering services based on OSS, provisioning of support services on OSS, and integration with ongoing initiatives. The policy on open application programming interfaces, that is API for Government of India, sets out the government's approach on the use of open APIs to promote software interoperability for all e-governance applications and systems and provide access to data and services for promoting participation of all stakeholders, including citizens. This policy initiative will encourage formal use of APIs, open APIs in government organization. The worldwide initiative on open government also focuses on open APIs to easily access the information collected by government organization. The email policy of Government of India lays down the guidelines with respect to use of email services by government departments and organizations. The policy initiative aims to ensure secure access and usage of Government of India email services by its users and applicable to all employees of Government of India and employees of state and union territory government that use the email services of Government of India. The next policy on use of IT resources of Government of India provides the guidelines to ensure proper access and usage of government's IT resources and prevent their misuse by the users. The policy initiative covers all IT resources including desktop devices, portable mobile devices, network including wireless networks, internet connectivity, external storage devices, peripheral like printers and scanners, and the software associated therewith. The policy on collaborative application development by opening the source code of government application intends to increase the pace of e-governance application development and rapid rollout and implementation by adopting an open source based development model. The Government of India wants to promote reuse of existing developed applications. By opening the source code, the government wants successful, scalable, high quality e-governance application to be developed in a collaborative manner. It also wants new application to be developed to encourage creativity both inside and outside the government by encouraging collaborative development between government departments, agencies and private organizations, citizens and developers to create innovative e-governance application and solutions. The final framework on application of development and re-engineering guidelines for cloud-ready application aims to address one of the major concerns in the e-governance domain, that is lack of process re-engineering and leveraging of the latest emerging technology, that is cloud. This guideline intends to ensure development of common application software CAS, which can be configured as per different states and departments requirements without need of modifying the core code of the application for a faster development, so that time, effort and cost in developing applications are saved and to avoid duplication of efforts. It is therefore imperative that applications are developed in conformity to guidelines that make them standardized and compatible for hosting and running across states. The whole idea behind this policy decisions and framework is to ensure that the development of Digital India project will be running smoothly and the Indian citizens will take advantage or get benefited from the services built on them.